Welcome back to the Dadskillz how-to and review channel. Now in this one, we are going to take a look at the Screwfix Dotless LED tape. Now this tape is something like 5 meters long, I think. 22 watts integrated LED. This is the warm white version. And it's branded as LAP, that's the Screwfix own brand. So this is classed as a cob LED. Cob, if you're unfamiliar with LED strips and things, stands for chips on board, as opposed to this kind of LED strip. This is a Govee, and this is an LED strip, but really those are SMDs, which is surface mounted diodes placed on the actual tape itself. So let's get this unboxed and we'll see what comes with the kit. Okay, so before we open the box, this is currently retailing for something like $44.99 on the Screwfix website and in store. So let's see what we get for all that money, which is quite expensive, to be totally honest with you. This is warm white, 3000 Kelvin, as you can see there. So in the box, it's all nice and recyclable so far. A couple of screws. That'll be for the supplied driver. Instructions, which seem relatively comprehensive. Yeah, 5 meter kit. Comprehensive enough anyway. We'll go through a few pluses with this kit in a moment. Simple plug. We have that to power the driver to power the tape. That's cool. Get rid of that. So the tape itself. Now this is the sort of thing that is ideal to replace those tired under kitchen cabinet lights. And if you chop the plug off, let's say, you can then wire that into the junction box that's already there. And this is marketed as Dotless, so what that means is that you won't have to really diffuse this much at all. You can have it in quite a shallow diffuser, whereas this kind of stuff, you don't really want to see this because it's quite unsightly. So that needs to be really well diffused, or you put it behind something to light up a wall, let's say, so the wall goes one nice colour. So how does installing this in practice work? Well, you've got a nice 3M strip on the back there. You really need to clean your surface well, that's going to, or even I use some Mammoth double-sided tape. I find that's really good. It will not come off with that stuff. So that's that. Now to attach to our driver, dead simple. It could not be easier. Can you see on there a 24 plus and a 24 minus? And that correlates to the plus and the minus on the end of that. Not that you could get it the wrong way around anyway, really. So that goes in there. We're going to push it till it stops. See that? We've pushed it right to the end of that connector. And you can also see on the back how far it's gone. And that's as far as it will go. And the other great thing about this tape is, and this package, it comes with 3 connections. So we can actually make up to 3 cuts in this tape and join them back together with these if we want to go round a tricky corner or something, or take it into a different void or whatever. So that's really useful. Okay, so I suppose all we've got to do now is turn it on, see what we think. Wowzers. Now you can tell that's a warm white, can't you? Yeah, that's really nice. That's really bright as well. This product cannot be dimmed, so if you are thinking of replacing an under cabinet light that's currently dimmed, then this will not do the trick. Well, there we go. Looks like a decent product there from Screwfix, available now online or in store. I think for what I need, they're going to be just right. As I say, they're a touch on the expensive side. I'd like to see at least a £5 off the price of those, but I think they're going to do the job. So that's it from Dadskillz how-to and review channel today. Let me know if you've any experience of fitting these yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.